And I don't know if you saw it already. But thank you. Aria. Area mo na to. Again, good morning. One, I think by this time you know it already. Yung senior run? Ayos. Kumusta ka na? So anyway, by this time you know it already that there is a program made and introduced by the President under the LGSF fund or Local Government Support Fund. And we were directed by Executive Secretary Ralph Recto to give rights assistance to Manileños. But I opted to give it to based on directive ni Presidente. Sabi yung mga taxpayer naman, bigyan natin, mga nagtatrabaho, makibsan yung nilang gastusin. Kaya I'm happy to your organization, McDonald, when we called them and asked them how many McDonald crew all over Manila. And in a matter of few minutes, we were given numbers. So that's why we included you in the plan. And today, makaroon naman na tulong ng pamahalaan nasyonal at lokal. This is not gonna happen today alone. It's going to happen in the rest 6 months. Yes. Every other month, darating ito sa workplace ninyo. Kaya maglala, kita ninyo dito kami pumunta. At ito ay gagawin, sa matarap na lang ito, ceremonial. But ito ay gagawin kung saan yung workplace para hindi na madistorbo ang negosyo, hindi na madistorbo ang trabaho. Yung assist, sabi nga, di ba, pagka gusto ibigay maraming, exactly. That's the point of your city government. And we're happy that last other day, 16,000 on the first day. This is an 80,000 individuals or family works, lives in Manila and sectors. Pati yung mga tricycle natin, jeep, tatama sila ulit. Tatamaan ulit sila. So, this is our one way of cushioning. Kung maramdaman ng tao yung umangman lang, resources mo, matipid ko naman. Kahit paano. Eh, ang natulungan nito, would you imagine, mga magsasakang Pilipino. Because one of the directive is to acquire rice from our farm. Kaya, pag pinunami ecosystem, yung ecosystem, umikot talaga yung pera. So I'm happy with the Vice Mayor here, Vice Mayor Chief, Tessa. To see that things are being implemented accordingly at suabe or smooth. So muli sa inyo lahat, galingan ninyo. Kasi naman ako, ang dami ko senior dito. Ang dami mo namang hinalo. Nakakatuwa naman, nakaka-proud naman yung McDo. Kasi I'm happy kasi yung mga lolo at lola ko. Lalo na, iwan naman kung naman, matitigas ka. Pang kalawin ka po naman. Kabulig pa ito ng chicks. But I'm happy really for them. I'm happy and proud for our partners, private sectors, fulfilling the dreams and aspirations of their city government, to give opportunity and to bring back to the society yung ating mga seniors. Be more productive again. You know, kahit paano, at their age, may pumapasok ulit na salapi sa loob ng bahay. And ako na may tiwala sa kanila na kaya nilang mampanan yung tungkulin na ibinigay sa kanila sa pamilya. For now, this is the program. Biyayang bigas para sa kanila. At huwag kayo mag-alala, huwag kayo mag-iisip kung taga saan man kayo. Ang importante sa akin, yung negosyo gumaan yung existence nila sa crisis nito sa loob ng Maynila. Yung empleyado, gumaan yung katatayuan. Mahirap ang buhay. Maibsan man lang, o in economics, I call it cushioning the socio-economic impact of this crisis sa buhay. Yun yung close. And kami nila Jay, at ni Vice Mayor, may gagawin ulit naman na karagdagang programa. Patungkol pa rin sa crisis nito. But for now, this is for our working class in the city of Manila. And we're very proud of you because of what you're doing to the companies that you serve. Give them growth. So kung kayo nagsisipag, nagiging presyente, lalago ang negosyo. Paglago ng negosyo, mas maraming negosyo mabubusan. At doon, papasok yung pangunahing polisiya ng lungsod. MBN, minimum basic need. Housing, education, healthcare, and jobs. Jobs. For us to create jobs and opportunity for the people of Manila, kailangan ng negosyo mag-survive sa crisis. If there is growth, thank you. But the bare minimum, survive. Because, after the rain, there is a rain. Ang pagangat naman ng negosyo ay malaking oportunidad para sa mamamayang sinasakot natin. At yung mga tao dumadako sa lungsod. Pag may trabaho, alam mo, usang ito, mas panatag ang pamumuhay sa mga. Mas tahimik. Alam niya ng mga matatanda dito. They've been there. Been there, done that, sabi nga nila. So muli, magandang umaga sa inyo. Pwede ba ako mag-take out? Binisa nyo eh. Gusto mo okay. Mag-take out ako mamaya. So, nabili na? Okay, take out na. Bilis kilos talaga mga tao gobyerno sa Maynila. Sinasabi ko pa lang, nabili na. Galaw-galaw. So, mag-ingat kayo. Take care of yourself. Stay healthy. Nakamalolot na. Kayo. Take two net mo ngayon. Sobrang init ng panahon. Mag-ingat kayo. And I'm really proud na inihanap buhay kayo. So magandang umaga. Palain nawa kayo. Thank you.